Hello, I'm Cameron, and this is my new Eagle Tile roof story. On September 27, 2022, my world and the lives of thousands of Floridians was turned upside down. As Hurricane Ian approached the west coast of Florida, we were forced to evacuate. As I was packing essentials, my biggest concern was whether my asphalt shingle roof would survive the storm. I had a feeling it wouldn't. When I was cleared to return to my home a few days later, my fears were validated. My home and hundreds around me experienced significant damage to their asphalt shingle roofs. I spoke to several friends who had concrete tile roofs that were installed to the latest building codes. None of them experienced damage. Since I plan on being in this home for decades to come, I decided it was time to invest in a new tile roof. That's when I contacted Eagle Roofing Products. Eagle recommended that I speak to a structural engineer to validate the integrity of my trusses. Throughout this process, I learned that due to stringent wind codes, most homes built in Florida have the structural capacity for a tile roof. Thanks to Eagle's knowledgeable staff, services available at their local design center, and support from local professional contractors, the process of upgrading my home from an asphalt shingle roof to a beautiful Eagle concrete tile roof was much easier than I expected. My new Eagle tile roof has completely changed the curb appeal of my home, increased its value, and provided me with something that money cannot buy in a high wind hurricane area: peace of mind. I'm so glad that I chose Eagle Roofing. They offer high quality products, they're easy to work with, and they provide great customer service. Living in such a hurricane prone state, I feel a lot more confident knowing my home can weather any storm, given that a properly installed Eagle concrete tile roof can withstand sustained winds exceeding 150 miles an hour. Thank you to Eagle Roofing Products. I really love the way my new roof looks, and the best thing is I won't have to worry coming into this next hurricane season.